The position function of a particle is given by s, which is equal to t cubed minus 4.5 t squared minus 7t, where t is greater than or equal to 0. So when does the particle reach a velocity of 5 meters per second? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're first going to find out, okay, we know that the position function s, which is equal to t cubed minus 4.5 t squared minus 7t, where t has to be greater than or equal to 0, meaning the time has to be greater than or equal to 0. Now, if we want to find the velocity function, then we're going to take the derivative of that position function. So we end up getting 3t squared minus 2 times 4.5 is 9t, and then that's minus 7. Okay, so now it's telling us when does the particle reach a velocity of 5 meters per second. Okay, so that means that we want to set the velocity function, which is 3t squared minus 9t minus 7, and set that equal to 5. So if we add or subtract 5 to both sides, we get 3t squared minus 9t minus 12, which is equal to 0. If we factor out a 3, we have t squared minus 3t minus 4, which is equal to 0. And if we divide both sides by 3, then we end up with t squared minus 3t minus 4, which is equal to 0. And now we're going to factor. So if we factor this, this becomes t minus 4 times t plus 1, which is equal to 0. So that tells us that t is equal to 4 and t is equal to negative 1. Okay, so we're asking when does the particle reach a velocity of 5 meters per second, and we know that t has to be greater than or equal to 0. Well, we cannot include a negative time, so we have to disclude this. And so therefore, it's going to be 4 seconds. So the answer is 4 seconds. Okay, now the question states, when is the acceleration 0? And what is the significance of this value of t? Well, we need to first look at the velocity function. So the velocity function from our previous step is 3t squared minus 9t minus 7. And we want to find the acceleration function, so we're going to take the derivative of the velocity function. So taking a derivative, we get 6t and then minus 9. So we want to find out when is the acceleration 0. That means we got to let the function for the acceleration, which is 6t minus 9, and set that equal to 0. So we get 6t, which is equal to 9, and therefore t is going to equal 3 over 2, which is equal to 1.5. So what is the significance of this value of t? Well, what it states is that the velocity is at a minimum at t is equal to 1.5 seconds.